A brief history of dogs. Since their emergence over 200,000 years ago, modern humans have established homes and communities all over the planet. But they didn't do it alone. Whatever corner of the globe you find Homo sapiens, which just means humans, in today, you're likely to find another species nearby. The scientific name of that other species is Canis lupus familiaris. What are they? Well, we'll find out soon. Whether they are herding, hunting, sledding, or slouching, the sheer variety of domestic dogs is staggering. That means there are many different kinds of domestic dogs. But what makes the story of man's best friend so surprising is that they all evolved from a creature often seen as one of our oldest rivals, Canis lupus, or the gray wolf. When our Paleolithic ancestors first settled Eurasia approximately 100,000 years ago, wolves were one of their main rivals at the top of the food chain. Let's talk quickly about wolves. Wolves were able to exert over 300 pounds of pressure in one bone-crushing bite. Their sense of smell was also quite amazing. They could sniff out prey more than a mile away. These formidable predators didn't have much competition. Much like human hunter-gatherers, they lived and hunted in complex social groups, consisting of a few nuclear families, and used their social skills to cooperatively take down larger creatures. Using these group tactics, they operated as very effective, persistent hunters, relying not on outrunning their prey, but pursuing it to the point of exhaustion. That means wolves did not depend on their super fast speed. Instead, they used intelligent tactics and ran until their prey became too tired and maybe collapsed, and then the wolves can, take care of dinner. But when pitted against the similar strengths of their invasive new neighbors. Who were the invasive new neighbors? Humans. Wolves found themselves at a crossroads. For most packs, these bipeds, which means a biped is an animal that walks upright on 2 feet, just like humans. So we represented a serious threat to their territory. However, for some wolves, especially those wolves without a pack. Human camps offered new and interesting opportunities. Let's look at this a little bit more closely. Wolves that showed less aggression towards humans could come closer to their encampments, feeding on leftovers. And as these more docile scavengers outlasted their aggressive brothers, their genetic traits were passed on. That means these wolves that were more tame, more calm, and let's say more friendly with humans lasted longer because they could easily find food, and therefore they survived and had baby wolves, and their baby wolves were the same, and they also survived because it was easy for them to find food, and so on and so on. Therefore, their genetic traits were passed on. Gradually, this led to tamer wolves in areas near human populations. Okay, well, good job. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for listening to the video today. I hope you learned something. I hope it was useful. And take care. See you next time. Goodbye.